Hi there, it's Jo from Creative Empowerment. Hope you're having a great day. I thought that I would make a short video about a practice that we normally use in Qigong at the end of another practice. However, as a standalone practice, it's really great for our eyes. And the energy of our eyes in Chinese medicine and in Qigong is related to our liver. And at this time, we might be feeling a little bit angry. We might be feeling a bit frustrated. So I thought that this practice could be something that you do in your everyday if you decided you wanted to give it a go. So before we start, what I want you to do is I want you to just imagine that you've got those tree roots growing deeply down into the earth. I want you to breathe deeply into your lower belly. Imagine just sinking into the earth. Good. And then I want you to just feel a string, just lifting your crown up, connecting you to the heavens, connecting you to the yang energy, feeling really supported by the earth. And I want you to smile, and your tongue is on the roof of the mouth, your eyebrows are raised, and you're breathing deeply into your belly. And this is what we call Qi awareness. And again, you can do all of these things without doing any of this pre-work. It just doesn't have the same benefit. So if you just take this a few minutes to begin and just sort of center yourself, just bring all of yourself to the present moment, it really helps. So now that we are in Qi awareness and our belly and our breath are moving gently and easily, we're going to bring our hands up into the prayer position, and we're going to rub them until they're really, really hot. Keep breathing deeply. And then as your hands get really, really hot, what we're going to do is we're going to place them over our closed eyes. So placing them over your closed eyes, and just leave them there for a moment. And what I want you to do is breathe deeply. And then as you exhale, I want you to bring your hands all the way down to the bottom of your chin and exhale. Now, without rubbing your hands again, I want you to take your palms, and I want you to place them over your closed eyes again. Breathing in deeply. And then as you exhale, bringing them down. And again. Breathing out deeply. And as you breathe in through your nostrils. And as you breathe out through an open mouth with the tongue on the lower palate. Now that was 6. You can do 9, you can do 3, you can do 12, you can do as many or as few as you like. But it is a great practice. So working with the eyes in Chinese medicine is related to the liver and the gallbladder and helps release frustration and anger. So not only are we working to make the eyes appear more clear, bright and healthy, but we're also supporting our organs with this practice. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and it can be done at any time of the day, but a great one just as a sort of circuit breaker if you're having a stressful day or find yourself in a bit of anger or frustration. So good to see you again. Hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this practice. Bye for now.